How to fix your private DNS not working on Android. So first thing first, I want you to go to your settings, the main settings of your phone, and here search for private DNS. Every phone has its own private DNS. I'm just gonna go search for my private DNS and tap on it. After that, here you should be able to see the private DNS option. What you can do is just turn it on. Just turn it on and tap on save. After that, if you open up a browser and let's say you have a lot of ads on that browsing. So here, in order to use the private DNS here in our own browser, so what you can do is maybe one of the thing that the private DNS is not working is maybe because we haven't allowed our private DNS to work on the particular browser. So what you can do is just go to your settings. Here, after going to settings, just tap on privacy and security, and here scroll down until you get to use secure DNS. So what you can do is just tap on it, and here you can see Chrome uses other DNS except our own device DNS. So we can just tap on this, choose another provider, and provide the URL of our own private DNS. After that, just copy and paste it, and you should be able to use the DNS of your own device. Just get back and use your private DNS, and therefore by following this method you should be able to use your private DNS on your Android phone. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.